Hello friends, welcome to Rocket Mix. Today's video is on the all-new BYD Sealion 7. Meet the beast of the electric SUV world, the BYD Sealion 7. It's fast, tech-packed and built for pure driving thrill with over 500 bhp and cutting-edge ADAS. This machine redefines what a luxury EV can do. Let's about the performance and range. The Sealion 7 comes in two variants. Rear-wheel drive comes with a 313 bhp of power and 318 Nm of torque. All-wheel drive version comes with a 523 bhp power and 617 Nm of torque. The BYD Sealion just takes a 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.5 seconds. You get an 82.56 kWh BYD blade battery supporting a certified NEDC range up to 570 km. It runs on E-Platform 3.0 ensuring optimized weight balance and superb thermal management. With an impressive drag coefficient of just 0.26, it's aerodynamic and efficient. Let's about the design and exterior. Designed under the BYD's Ocean X design philosophy, the Sealion 7 looks aggressive yet elegant. You get a full LED adaptive headlights, 20-inch precision cut alloys, frameless auto flush door handles, power tailgate with gesture control, shark fin antenna, chrome accents and aerodynamic body sculpting. The body structure uses hot formed steel with a high torsional rigidity, perfect for performance and safety. Let's about the interior and space. Step inside and it's all premium. Leather ventilated seats with 6-way power adjust, 128 color ambient lighting, panoramic sunroof with electric blind, rear AC vents and center armrest, class leading storage with 500-liter rear boot plus 58-liter front trunk. Every material feels upscale, from soft touch dash to multi-structure trim inserts. Let's about the infotainment and connectivity. Talking about the technology, it's a BYD specialty. 15.6-inch adaptive rotating touchscreen, 5-inch instrument cluster plus AR-enabled hood, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, OTA upgradable, NFC card access, 50-watt wireless charging, USB-C ports front and rear, fully integrated BYD OS with voice assist, real-time telematics and user profile. Let's talk about the safety and ADAS. This SUV means business on safety. This SUV comes with 11 airbags, level 2 ADAS, adaptive cruise, automatic braking, blind spot monitoring, driver drowsiness detection, 360-degree surround view with AI object detection, TPMS front and rear parking sensors, ISOFIX with child alert. It's built to meet Euro NCAP 5-star safety benchmarks. Let's talk about the charging and visual technology. Recharge fast with 150 kilowatt DC charging 10 to 80% in just 24 minutes. On AC, use 11 kilowatt while charging at home. And with virtual vehicle to load technology, power to campus site tools or even a movie projector using your EV. Let's about the platform and build technology. Sealion 7 is engineered on BYD's E-platform 3.0, integrating motor, battery and chassis with cell-to-body CTB technology, lower center of gravity, MacPherson strut front plus multi-link suspension rear, frequency selective damping shocks. It rides tight in corners, it floats over potholes like a proper electric grand tourer. Let's about the variants and pricing. Two trims available. Premium RWT variant comes with a 48.95 lakh rupees. Performance AWD variant comes with a 54.95 lakhs ex-showroom India. With 8 years or 1.6 lakh kilometer battery warranty and strong BYD dealer support across metros. Let's about the conclusion. With its quick acceleration, cutting-edge technology, luxurious comfort and uncompromised safety, the BYD Sealion 7 isn't just another EV, it's the future of driving redefined. If you are ready to lead the electric revolution in style, the Sealion 7 might just be your perfect ride. So in a sea of EVs, the Sealion 7 rises above with style, substance and unmatched safety. Will you pick this over the Ioniq 5, EV6 or Volvo XC40 Recharge? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.